Hello students, let's continue solving exercise 11.2 in this video. First problem, fifth subdivision, 5 cos square 60 plus 4 secant square 30 minus tan square 45 divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. So we should know the values of these trigonometric ratios. So cos 60 is 1 by 2, secant 30 2 by root 3. So all these we know. So we have to substitute all these values in the given problem. So after substituting, I'll get like this. Okay. So 5 into 1 by 2 square, because it is cos square. So cos 60 is 1 by 2. So you have to do squaring for that value. Okay. So similarly for secant, tan, everything you have to do the squaring. So first step is you have to do the squaring. Okay. So you will get like this. Okay, here I have shown you the squares. Okay, so 1 by 2 the whole square. So 1 by 4 you will get, and here 4 into 2 by root 3 the whole square. No, so 2 square is 4 you will get here. Root 3 into root 3 you will get 3 here. Okay, so that's why in the next step you are getting 5 into 1. So 5 by 4 you are getting here. Okay, then 4 into 4, 16 you will get. So 16 by 3 you will get. And 1 you are having already, so that 1 is there. So in the next step, actually you have to find out the LCM. So I'll show you the step. Okay children, I have shown you the step here. Okay, so here 4, 3 you are having in the denominators. So what will be the LCM? The LCM will be 12. Okay, so what is missing in this denominator? So it is 3. Okay, 4 3s are 12 you will get. So 4 is already there. So 3 should be multiplied with the numerator. So 5 3s are 15 you will get. And here 3 is already there. 4 into 3 will give you 12. So that 4 should be multiplied with this numerator. So you are getting 24. 16 into 4 is 64. Okay. Then here minus 1 you are having. So LCM is 12. So here you don't have anything in the denominator. So that 12 should be multiplied with the numerator 1. So 1 into 12 you will get 12. Okay. So put whole divided by 12. Then in the denominator you have both 4's. So write 4 as full common, and in the numerator 1 plus 3 you should write. Okay. So here first let me finish the denominator. So here 1 plus 3 you will get 4. So 4 by 4 is 1. Okay. So the denominator becomes 1 here. Okay. Now coming to the numerator. So here 15 minus 12 we will take. So 15 minus 12 you will have 3. So 3 plus 64. So 64 plus 3 you will get 67. Okay, 67 divided by 12. That will be your final answer. Actually, after this step, you should write this step. Then you should write this step. Okay. Since it was missing, I wrote for you. So let's move to the next problem. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30 equal to. So which one we should find out? So first start solving the given problem, then we can find out which will be the right option. So what is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 2. So tan 30's value is substituted, then do the squaring in the denominator. So tan square 30 no, so do the squaring. So you will get 1 by 3. Okay, so that's why you are getting this. Then take the LCM. So 3 is here. So LCM will be 3. So multiply 3 with this numerator. So 3 plus 1 you will get. Okay. So 4 by 3 you are having. Okay. So this is taken like this. Okay. So reciprocal. So 3 by 4 you will get here in multiplication. So this can be reduced. 2 and 4 is there. So you will get 3 by 2 root 3 you will get. Okay. In order to rationalize, then I am doing multiplying by root 3 and dividing by root 3. Okay. This step is for rationalizing. Okay. Then after that I will get like this. 3 root 3 divided by 2 into 3. Because root 3 into root 3 will become 3. So 2 into 3 I will get. So root 3 by 2 will be the final answer. So what in the option will give you root 3 by 2? Okay. Sine 60 is the value, sine 60's value is root 3 by 2. So this option is for the option A. Okay, so option A, sine 60 will be the correct answer. Now next one, 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. First do the, find the value of tan 45 and substitute it. So tan 45 is 1. So 1 square you have to do. So it's 1 square is 1 only. So you can do like that. So 1 minus 1 and divided by 1 plus 1. So 0 by 1, 0 by 2 you will get. So anything divided, 0 divided by anything will be 0. So it will be option D. Then third problem, sine 2a equal to 2 sine a is true when a equal to which one? Okay, so 2 times of angle A, that is suppose angle 30 degree we will keep. So 30 into 2 will be 60. Okay, so that is equal to 2 into sine 30. So whether like that it is going to be equal or not, we are going to find it out. Okay, so we are taking 0. Okay, so 2 into 0, that is 0 only. So sine 0 is 0. Then 2 into sine A, that is 2 into sine 0. So sine 0 is 0. So 2 into 0, 0. So for the degree 0, this condition will satisfy. So 0 degree will be the correct option. Then fourth subdivision, 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. Okay. So substitute the values of tan 30, that is 1 by root 3. Okay, and in the denominator also substitute the value and simplify. So you will get 2 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. Okay, take LCM here. So you will get like this. Okay, then you will be left with 2 by 3 in the denominator. So that can be taken like this in the reciprocal. So 3 by 2, you have to multiply now. So in the denominator you are having root. So in order to remove that, you will do the rationalizing step. Okay, so do that. So you will get 3 root 3 divided by 3. Okay, so 3 and 3 can get cancelled here. So 3 in the numerator, 3 in the denominator. So you will be left with root 3. So which of these is having root 3 as a value? Tan 60 is equal to root 3. So option C is correct. And third problem, if tan A plus B equal to root 3 and tan A minus B equal to 1 by root 3 and A plus B is in between 0 to 90. Okay, and A is greater than B. Find A and B. Okay, so we have to find out now. So let's take first one, tan A plus B equal to root 3. So when you will get root 3 for any tan value, tan 60 will give you root 3. Okay, so let's take A plus B equal to 60. Okay, so that is the first equation. A plus B, if you take, means it is 60. Okay, that only gives you root 3. Okay, now similarly A minus B. So which value of tan will give you 1 by root 3? It is tan 30. That means A minus B equal to 30. Okay, that's your second equation. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add equation 1 and equation 2. So what you will get, A plus B plus A minus B equal to 60 plus 30. So what is here, plus B minus B? This will get cancelled. So you will get 2A equal to 90. Okay, A plus A is 2A, no? So 2A equal to 90. So do bring it to the RHS. So it will come in division. So A equal to 45 degree. So substitute the value of A in equation 1. Any equation you can substitute. So I am substituting in equation 1. So I am getting 45 plus B equal to 60 degree. So bring that 45 to the RHS. So 60 minus 45 is 15. So B value is 15. So here A value is 45 and B value is 15. Fourth problem, state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. Sin A plus B equal to sin A plus sin B. Okay, we have to say whether this is true or false. It is false. Why? Because suppose we are taking A as 30 and B as 60. So it sin 90. Okay. So if you do sin 90 equal to 1, you will get. Then sin 30 plus sin 60 we have to take. Okay. So sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay. So both are having 2 as common in the, in the denominator both are 2 you are having. So LCM will be 2. In the numerator you can add 1 plus root 3. You can't reduce anymore. So this is your final answer. But sin 90 is 1, but this one in the RHS side, what you have, sin A plus sin B, no, that is not equal. So this is not possible. So it is false. The value of sin theta increases as theta increases. Yes, it's true. Why? Because if you see in that tabular column, first I showed, no, so in that if you see sin 0 is 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1. So if you see here, the value of sin theta increases from 0 to 1. So this is true. The value of cos theta increases as theta increases. This is not possible. Why? Because if you see in the chart, it will be decreasing. It will start with 1. Cos 0 is 1 and so cos 90 is 0. It will reduce. Actually, it will decrease. Okay. So cos theta decreases as theta increases. So this statement is false. Sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. Is it possible? No. Why? Because sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So this is not possible. It's false. Cot A is not defined for A equal to 0 degree. Why? Because it is cot A is cos by sin. Okay, cos by sin only cot A. Okay, substitute the value of A as 0. So cos 0 is 1 and sin 0 is 0. 1 by 0 is undefined. Okay, so it is not true. It is true. Okay, so question is that only, no. So cot A is not defined. Yes. Why? Because we are getting 1 by 0. It is not defined. So the given statement is true. So that's all for this video. Thank you, children.